What's the meaning of bobby socks? Bobby socks. Bobby socks.
Bobby socks. Bobby socks. Bobby socks were a popular fashion trend in the 1940s and 1950s, named after the ankle-high socks that were typically worn by schoolgirls. The term bobby is believed to have come from the British slang word for police officer, as the socks were often worn by girls who idolized policemen at the time. The socks were typically paired with saddle shoes or loafers, and were considered a symbol of youth culture and rebellion against more conservative styles. Despite falling out of fashion in the late 20th century, bobby socks remain an iconic symbol of mid-century Americana and continue to be worn by vintage enthusiasts and retro fashion lovers.